Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently install Iosgods on iPhone or iPad, no revoke. So first of all, you have to prepare your device. So ensure your iOS device is running a compatible iOS version. Go to Settings, General Device Management, and remove any existing profiles related to Iosgods. And then you just have to download the Iosgods application, open Safari, visit the Iosgods website, locate the download link for the Iosgod app, and tap on it to start the installation. And then you just have to follow the prompts and install the application, and then just add up to your home screen. Go to Settings, General Device Management, and test the profile for Iosgods. Then you have to use a permanent certificate. So for a no resolution, ensure you use a third-party service like Alstor CDI Importer to install the app with a permanent certificate. Then you just have to keep the app updated. So regularly keep checking the Iosgods website for updates and reinstall if necessary, using the same steps to ensure stability and access to new features. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.